you encounter the product activation failed error when you open Office desktop applications, then this video will show you some possible solutions to fix it. Now first, perform the following preliminary checks, like running the Office application as an administrator. So what you will need to do is type the app name, right-click on its icon, then click Run as Administrator. You also have to ensure that Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or any other app you're using is up to date. To activate Microsoft Office apps legally, you should always purchase the subscription from Microsoft's website or its trusted partners. If you have used a crack or third-party activator to activate these apps and encounter this issue after a few days, Microsoft is likely to have detected this unauthorized activation and then blocked it. You also have to ensure that you're logged into the correct account. To ensure it, open the Office application where you are experiencing this error, navigate to File tab, select Account, and under the User Information, you can find the account information. Now, if you see a different account there, click Sign Out, then sign in again using the account that has an active subscription from Microsoft. And that's how to fix product activation failed error on your Microsoft Office apps. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.